So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. So that's what gold is actually going to be giving us for the day. So make sure you subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram so that once we drop on two updates, you will not miss out on the updates. Now, when you take a look at this movement right here, guys, you can clearly see that gold is in an uptrend move. But when you take a look at your current trend, gold is ranging. Now, take a look at this main trend right here. If you have to zoom it out, right, you'll see that gold is in an uptrend, but gold is giving us that boom movement to the upside. So you all know that rules of trading. First, know your trend. Second, trade with the trend. So it is very clear that we are in an uptrend. I mean, which is very much visible when you go to your 4-hour time frame. You can see the overall movement on gold. We are in an uptrend. Market is trending to the upside. Then when you zoom it in right here, you see this to be your first high. Then we have this pullback, which is the higher low right here. Market did push up again to form a new higher high. Here is the higher low. Market then push up again to form a new higher high. So this is a pullback that's formed an higher low, right? So it gives us a multiple rejection at this zone right here. So when you zoom it in, you will see that this is your current trend. Now, within this current trend, market is ranging. So market has come to establish the support level. It's rejected from the support level and bounced up to establish resistance. Market also rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support. It pushed up a bit and then it came back to retest this our support level. So with this movement, right, we should expect market to reject and push up further. So this is to say that a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our gold. Now, if there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So if you don't want to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram so you don't miss out on the updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Above all, we will be anticipating for a bullish move on gold for the day. Let's see gold, because that bullish move, see it past our resistance zone.